Everyone, welcome to Math Today. We're going to switch gears and move away from our geometry work and into some work with division. So I'm really excited because today we're going to look at our first strategy for solving division problems, and that is skip counting. So let's take a look at our I can statement. I can divide by finding multiples, and multiples is a mathematical term for skip counting. We've used skip counting a lot in the classroom on our hundreds chart, so I think that you're really going to like this strategy. So let's move on and try it out together. All right, so our first problem here is that we have 18 graham crackers and there's 9 children. How many crackers will each child get? So first of all, let's write our problem. So we know we have 18 as our bigger number, and we're going to have to divide it out between the 9 children. Okay, so I know for sure that this is a division problem. So I have 18. This is our dividend. This is our divisor is 9. And we are looking for our quotient. All right, so when we use the strategy of of using multiples of skip counting, we're going to start with our divisor and we're going to count up to our dividend by this number right here. Okay, so we're going to start by starting to count by nines. We're going to count by nines until we get to this larger number in our problem. Okay, our dividend is what we call it. So if we start at 9, what comes next? So we're going to add 9. So 9 plus 9 is 18. Now, I already see that I've gotten to my bigger number, right? My dividend right here. So once I get to my dividend, I can stop counting. Now I'm going to count how many skips did I do? Well, I skip counted 2 times, right? So I know that my answer is going to be 2. It's not liking me today. All right, so let's take a look down here at our next problem. There are 30 balloons and 5 children. How many balloons will each child get? So here we have another division problem. We have our big dividend, which is 30, and our divisor, which is 5, and we're looking for our quotient, our answer, which we don't know yet. All right, so remember, we're going to look at our smaller number. That's what we're going to skip count by, and we're going to skip count until we get to the bigger number. All right, here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I hope you're helping me at home. 30. Okay, now remember, I'm going to stop when I get to the larger number in my problem. So now I've gotten to it, right? I'm going to stop. So I've counted by 5s until I got to 30. And now we have to see how many jumps did I do? How many skips? 1, 2, 3, 4. That 3 was sad. 5, 6, right? So now I counted by 5 until I got to 30, and that took me 6 skips. So 5 times 6 is 30. So I know that my answer is 6. So how many children, how many balloons are they going to get? Well, they're going to get 6 balloons. All right, now let's think about this problem, and let's think if you are having trouble skip counting, you might want to use the online tool of our hundreds chart. Remember, we downloaded this and it's a little app on your home screen. It says hundreds chart, but if you can't find it, I have a link for you in our work for today. Let me show you what that link looks like. Right here on these online tools, this is the hundreds chart that you would click on to get to it. You can click here or you can click your app, whichever one you like, and it will take you to this hundreds chart. So let's just think about skip counting by 5s. So if we skip counted, if we knew that we were going to start at 5 and we knew we had to stop when we got to 30, we would skip count 5, 10, 15. If I didn't know, I'd count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 skips. So if this helps you, you're welcome to use this tool today too. All right, enjoy math.